I'm making this video to help my fellow advocates in Macbook. तो we'll open terminal. इसी के अंदर सारी कोडिंग वगैरह होती है, राइट. मैं BNS का निकालता हूँ. It's a simple thing. It is placed on my desktop inside folder called acts. तो इसमें सबसे पहले we'll go and search what all the documents we have. We have application download, Parth Bhardwaj, library, picture, desktop. Yes. So we'll have to go inside that. We're inside it. Let us check what all documents we have here now. Here we go again. And if we want to check all the list of it, all the documents, all the acts contained in this folder, we'll just have to write ls. Ls stands for list. Now we will be using md5 algorithm because it's a very short name for any folder. Here it is. So what happens is when we use md5, it only reads the binary thing. So it does not read the spaces between the words. Like for example, if I'll write this and I'll try to calculate this advocates act PDF, it won't read it. ठीक है, यहाँ पे स्पेस आ गया. उसके लिए हम SHA1 यूज़ कर लेते हैं. उसका कमांड है SHASUM -A space 1 space, drag this folder, place it over here, or you can yourself also write all this. It's not a difficult thing. Press enter. You're inside it. This is the hash value, right?